Arpita Bidkar and I am from Datta Meghe Institute of Management Studies. So today I am presenting a sector analysis report on pharmaceuticals under the guidance of Dr. Hetal Gaglani. Introduction to the pharmaceutical sector. India's science-based industry with wide-ranging capabilities in the complex field of drugs, manufacture and technology. The Indian pharmaceutical sector is highly fragmented with more than 20,000 registered units. The Indian pharmaceutical market is the third largest in the terms of volume and 13th largest in the term of value. India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally, with the Indian generic accounting for the 20% of global export in terms of volume. The Indian pharma industry, which is expected to grow over 15% per annum between 2015 and 2020, will outperform the global pharma industry, which is set to grow at an annual rate of 5% between the same period. So, advantages of the pharmaceutical sector. There are the 6 advantages. Leading pharma procedure, one of the highest export among the fastest growing industries, rapidly growing healthcare sector, growing generic market, and the bank 5th in the terms of attracting FDI. So first one is the leading pharma producers. Indian pharmaceutical sector accounts for about 2.4% of the global pharmaceutical industry in the value terms and 10% in the volume term. Second one is the one of the highest export. Indian account for 20% of global export in the generic. In the FY15, pharmaceutical industry of India exported products worth $15 million, and the exports are expected to reach $40 million by 2020. Then next one is the among the fastest growing industries. The country pharmaceutical industries is expected to expand at a CAGR of 12.89% over the 2015 to 2020 to reach the $55 billion. Now, rapidly growing healthcare sector. Indian healthcare sector, one of the fastest growing sector. It is expected to advance at a CAGR of 17% to reach $250 billion over the 2008 to 2020. Now, growing the generic market. The generic market is expected to grow to $26.1 million by 2016 from $21 million in the 2015. So, India's generic market is immense potential for the growth. Then last one is the bank 5th in the terms of attracting FDI. Attracted 5% of the total FDI into the India from April 2000 to September 15, and the cumulative FDI inflows with $13.32 billion from April 2000 to September 15. So next one is the revenue in India. As per the flow chart, the Indian pharmaceutical market increased at a CAGR of 17.46% in the 2015 from $6 million in 2005 and expected to expand at a CAGR of 15.92% to $55 billion by 2020. By the 2021, India is likely to be among the top 3 pharmaceutical markets by the incremental growth and the 6th largest market globally in the absolute size. Then India's cost of production is significantly lower than the US, almost half of the Europe. It gives a competitive edge to India over others. So next we can see introduction to the Cipla company. So Cipla is a globally pharmaceutical company whose goals is ensuring no patient shall be denied access to high quality and affordable medicines and support. Cipla journey begins in 1935 when its founder Dr. K.A. Hamid set up an enterprise with the vision to make India self-sufficient in the healthcare. So vision of the Cipla companies. Cipla started with a vision to build a healthy India. Cipla continues to bring a smile on as many faces as we can to heal the world as much as we can see. Now mission. The mission of the caring for life, which countries to this day, and God willing, it will continue in the future. So, global presence of Cipla in as per the chart or map: India, Europe, USA, Australia, and South Africa. Then products of the Cipla. What are the products? First one is the pharmaceutical, next animal healthcare product, OTC, and the fourth one is the flavor and fragrance. Now, pharmaceuticals. Cipla manufactures the anabolic steroids, analgesics, antacids, antiemetics, and anti-arthritic, and the anti-TB drugs, anti-allergic drugs, anti-cancer drugs, antifungal, and other etc. In animal healthcare products includes the aqua products, equine products, poultry products, products for the companion animals, and products for the livestock animals. In OTC includes the child care products, that is the eye care products, food supplements, health drinks, lifestyle products, nutritional products and tonics, skin care products, and oral hygienic products. And last one is the flavor and the fragrance. Cipla manufactures a wide range of flavors which are used in a food and beverage, fruit juices, baked goods, and the oral hygiene products, like that. Cipla fragrances have a wide ranging applications such as in a personal care products, laundry detergents, and room fresheners, etc. Now the revenue of Cipla. This is the yearly revenue of Cipla company. So in March 2020, net sales turnover is 12,659.15 and the other income is 892.85. So the total income of March 2020 is 13,552. In March 19, net sales turnover is 12,374.1 and other income is 577.52. So the total income of March 19 is 12,951.53. In March 18, net sales turnover is 11,444.81 and the other income is 334.88. So the total income of 18 is 11,779.69. In March 17, net sales turnover is 10,974.58 and the other income is 129.85. So the total income is March 17 is 11,104.43. In March 16, net sales turnover is 12.117.72 and the other income is 280.30. So the total income is 12.398.02. This is the yearly revenue of Cipla. So what is the strength of Cipla? Cipla has focused on developing new products as well as on improving a drugs delivery system and expanding product applications. Cipla has set up strong research and development for the same. The strong R&D facilities as well as supported by many manufacturing plants across the cities. So Cipla's products are well recognized by regulatory authorities of India, USA, Germany, and the UK, etc. This provides the credibility to the products of the Cipla. This exports to over 175 countries that contribute the 54% of total turnover, and the company has an extensive distribution network. So now we can see weakness of Cipla. Lack of significant presence in the developed countries. India is a Cipla major market for revenue generation. Although Cipla has a presence in over 1,000 other countries, but it has low significance in other developed markets and hence is highly dependent on the Indian market. Second one is the limited market share. So high competition from the local as well as multinational pharmaceutical companies limits market share for the Cipla and doesn't allow rapid growth. And the last one is the growth in the formulation export was affected due to the various factors including non-availability of important raw materials, lower tenders business in the antiretroviral. Now opportunities of Cipla. First one is the strategic expansion. In the recent past, Cipla has been expanding its business through the initiatives such as investment, partnership, and acquisition in India as well as in the international market. Cipla offers a wide range of ARV products through the CGA for the treatment of HIV and AIDS in both children and adults. Plans of launching a biosimilar, particularly relating the technology, anti-asthmatic and anti-aristic categories, grow in the emerging market. Cipla should look forward to growing in emerging market, especially places where medical infrastructure is improving and hence pharmaceutical is also expected to grow. Thank you guys.